In this lesson, we will be looking at merit review. Merit review is how faculty are evaluated by students and their peers. The purpose of merit review is to assess and ensure the quality of faculty instruction. It is also a source of data to assist in reappointment, promotion, and tenure decisions. Furthermore, faculty can utilize the feedback to improve the quality of their courses and teaching. In this lesson, we will look at the criteria used by Indiana University, which is representative of the process at other institutions. Peer evaluations are conducted by faculty at the same or a higher rank within the same department or school. Peer evaluations focus on the course content as well as the instructional quality. They're conducted approximately twice a semester, and the criteria for evaluation is standardized by the respective departments or schools. Let's take a closer look at classroom evaluations. The peer reviewers observe the classroom practices and attempt to answer questions like these. Is the contact time with students well organized and planned? And if so, are the plans carried out? How much of the time are students actively engaged in the material? Are there opportunities in or out of class for students to practice the skills embedded in the course goals? And are there particularly creative or effective uses of the contact time that could improve student understanding? In addition to classroom evaluations, faculty also assess each other's course content. When assessing the syllabus, they look at the following criteria. Is the material appropriate for the topic, curriculum, and institution? Is the content related to current issues and developments in the field? Is there intellectual coherence to the course content? And are the intellectual goals for students well articulated and congruent with the course content and mission? The merit review process is multifaceted, and students are also asked to provide feedback on the faculty. Their perspective helps the institution determine if the classroom practices and course content are translating into a positive learning experience. Student evaluations focus on the students' perceptions of the faculty's courses. And the feedback from the students helps the faculty to make decisions about how to improve. At IU, they're conducted via an anonymous online survey once or twice a semester, and standardized campus-wide criteria is used. The surveys are submitted via an online tool, and the results are only available to faculty after the final grades have been submitted. This ensures that students can give candid and honest feedback without fear of repercussion. All students are invited to give feedback, however it is optional. Faculty receive a report with their scores benchmarked against the average scores at the institution and in their department. This helps them to develop an action plan based on the feedback they've received. The feedback from the students can also be documented and used to inform the promotion and tenure process. Another interesting feature is that the results of the student feedback are available online to all IU students. This provides transparency for course selection purposes and assures accountability of faculty to not only the administration, but to the students as well. The image on the right is how the dashboard looks, and we'll take a closer look at the criteria on the next slide. The criteria used to evaluate faculty by students is: how much did the instructor motivate you to do your best work? How much did they emphasize student learning and development? How likely would you be to recommend this course with this instructor? Compared to the other courses you've taken, how much time did this course require? And lastly, in a typical week, about how much time did you devote to this course? To summarize the key takeaways from this lesson, firstly, faculty are evaluated in a multifaceted process by both their peers and students. Their peers evaluate the strength of the curriculum and classroom practices, while students evaluate their satisfaction with the course and the learning experience. Both perspectives are highly valued. The results of the merit evaluation process help faculty to improve and also serve as sources of data for promotion and tenure decisions. While there are high expectations for faculty, we will see in the next module the various offices and programs at universities that support the faculty in achieving both their personal goals as well as the institution.